Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl the day signature here again. Oh my god, I have just gone crazy. I just tried this and I love it. This is my first DIY attempt with decor. I'm getting a new house, as you all know, and I have been trying to get stuff like this, but they are so expensive. So I decided to try it, and I am loving the outcome. So I'm starting over with this mirror. You look at the long mirror I got that mirror from Walmart. I'm getting gloves because of the glue that I'll be using, and this other what they call mirror plates or tiles I got from Walmart. Was it Walmart or Dollar Tree? But they were pretty much like $1, or no, it was like $3 for a set of 4, something like that, from Walmart. Then these ones came like this, looking like this, and I got them from Dollar Tree, the little tiles too. And this E6000 is the strongest glue that I researched, and that was a glue from Dollar Tree. That's super glue. I didn't use it. As for this glitter paper, I thought that I was going to use it, but at the end of it, I didn't use it for this DIY. I wasn't sure why I had it at the start, but yep, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm just putting on the gloves and just getting ready to, I think I'll be wiping down the mirrors just so we are hygienic, especially in this time, COVID-19. God. And I'm just wiping down each and every tile. Seriously, this mirror was $1 per mirror. It came like that. It came looking exactly like that. I haven't done anything to the mirror. So guys, I had a deal. I don't even know. I went back to look for this. I saw some that were gold, but this silver ones I didn't see, but I saw the gold ones. I'm very sure if you go to Dollar Tree now, you will find them. I'm just putting them together. Guys, look, I'm beginning to love these DIYs. Like, I spent less than 30 minutes doing this, and I also spent less than $25 doing all of this. I don't know why people are putting paper like on top of a mirror. Like, if I'm just using this mirror for my face, why would that be? Look at how I'm struggling to take it off. I'm literally fighting to take this mirror off. I don't know. I struggled and struggled. The struggle is real. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay, I tried. I took the gloves out, just tried to take it off. I thought I found a trick, so you'll see during the video that I thought I found a trick, and I started acting like a pro, and then I missed it again. You'll see. I think I have a clip of it somewhere. It was crazy, I'm telling you. I was so upset when I saw this. I'm gonna be definitely doing more DIYs, a lot more DIYs, because I'm beginning to love it. And I'll be doing with really cheap stuff, because with this house, the housing is already very expensive, and then decor too is so expensive. Like, looking at this same decor online, you'll see it for like $200. I saw one for like $299, and I was like, why would I be spending money to buy a mirror like this when I can learn how to do it? So I just tried something. I just tried it. This paper gave me a hard time. I struggled. You can see me struggling, and I didn't want to remove all the footage. Like, I was struggling, literally struggling to do this. But okay. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and try to line the mirrors. I cleaned this mirror, but the mirror was not clean. I'll definitely use a glass cleaner after this to clean it out, or clean it. So I was just measuring. You know how we measure when we're little, like the number of fingers away? I'm just measuring. I didn't have a tape. I wasn't sure I was gonna need it. I didn't buy it. So that was my own way to measure. I mean, it's not gonna be accurate. It's not gonna be like accurate, but I mean, it's pretty much close to accurate. So if you don't have a tape, do what I'm doing. Just do what I'm doing. You'll love it. Don't laugh at me, okay? Yes. So I was just lining them together to see what I wanted. When I started this project, I wasn't sure about what I was coming up with. I just bought the tiles. I saw it. I've been seeing people do stuff DIYs online. I said, let me just try. Let me just buy these tiles. I had no idea in my head about what I wanted to go for. I just tried it and it came out like this, and I love it. I really love it. With this one, you can actually leave it on your table, on your dining table as a runner, or you actually put it to the wall. Whatever, you can, just like this. It looks good already, right? It looks good. If I just tape this down with E6000, like the glue I was using, it takes like 24 hours to get dry. So when you're doing it, please, look at what I did. Like, you see the black little round tabs around the mirrors. The mistake I did during this DIY, my first attempt, was I should have taken those out. In my mind, I'm there thinking, oh my god, this is the perfect location or perfect spot to just put it. No, because it is just going to glue that little area, so it can easily break. Then what was I doing there? Because that I don't even know what I was doing. This glue I was putting on that side, it wasn't necessary, but I don't know why I did it, but I did it. Okay, so I should have taken out the black, those black knobs, whatever. It's easy to take out. I should have taken them out and actually glued it on the back of the mirror itself, so that it's going to glue down tight. E6000 is a very strong glue from my research, and it can glue down any type of mirror. You just have to be patient with it. I should have used the hot glue to hold it down at the time before going in with this one, before using the E6000, but I don't know why I did it like this. I had to keep it now for 24 hours or at least 12 hours to even dry down looking like something. So when you use the E6000, you see how shaky it was, because I should have I shouldn't have glued it on that dark thing. I should have actually taken it off. I don't know what it's called. Please pardon me. If you know what it's called, just write it down in the comment section. I don't know what it is called. So I keep calling it the black thing. So I should have taken out that black thing and glued down my stuff. But I was there throughout there until the end, until I was done. I knew I nailed it. But it still stood, like right now it's sitting there without any issues. It has dried down. This video was done about 3 days ago or 4 days ago, by the time I'm recording this voice over. Now I'm taking the little glitter mirrors and just trying to put them in place. You see, like the glue around there, when it dries down you can easily peel it off, so don't worry about it. If that glue dries down, after, you can just take something and you're gonna peel it off. It will peel off nice and clean, so don't worry about it. And I'm just gonna go ahead, and that was just testing how it's gonna look like, and then again making the same mistake, putting it on the little black things which I wasn't supposed to do, but I don't know why I was doing it. So yeah, I wasn't supposed to be doing that. And now I'm testing out how it's gonna look like if I add the little glitter mirrors again. At that time I already thought it was okay. Then I said, let me try something out, something different, and I just decided to add that. And again I put the glue around the black things, which I wasn't supposed to do, or on the black things, which I wasn't supposed to do, but because I was ignorant, I went ahead and did it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. There is nothing more. This is it. You can put it, as I said, just put it on your table, on your dining table, and then put your glass, your decor on top of it. It's still gonna look chic. It's still gonna look fancy. It looks really fancy. Like, it looks better in person. I even think the videos are not making or doing it justice. They look really, really beautiful, and it looks like expensive. It's so heavy. It looks like some expensive glass. You don't want to know. Like, it really, really looks expensive. You can use it as a runner on your dining table. You can put it on the wall as an accent mirror. It looks fancy. It looks really fancy. Please leave your comment down below what you think. Tell me what you think about this mirror. If you want to see more DIYs like this, I'm gonna this has become my new hobby. Really, I love it so much.